If you're a lover of red oil, or you know you make use of red oil a lot but you don't know how it is made, this video is for you, as I'll be showing you a very easy but detailed process of how to make red oil by yourself at home. So you definitely want to watch this video. Hi besties, and welcome to today's video. So you guys, today we're going to be producing red oil, and trust me, this is going to be the simplest and easiest palm oil production video you will ever see. I'm promising you that. For today's production, the key ingredient is the banga fruit, which is currently what I am washing. While I was producing this palm oil, I washed this fruit about 4 times, but in this video I showed that I washed it 2 times. That's simply because I hate to waste people's time. The next step is to put your banga nut into the pot where you'll be cooking it, and ensure you fill up the pot with lots of water. And I went ahead to place this on fire. This is me checking my fruit after a couple of minutes. I noticed it's soft, but not as soft as I wanted it, so I left it to cook again for a while, and on going back to check on it, it was as soft as I wanted it. And this is me scooping my fruit into my mortar where I'm going to be pounding it. Now you guys, the first secret to making your red oil, you want to ensure that you're as fast as possible with whatever process you're doing, because you want to produce this while your banga fruit is still very hot. So yeah, you don't want to be playing, you get. So after pounding, this is me turning it into the rubber where we're going to be doing the separation. Now the thing is, after pounding, the next process is to separate the seed from the flesh, because you're going to be washing them separately. So that's the next step which I'm going to be doing in this video. This is me separating the seed from the flesh. And you guys, because this banga is still very hot, you're going to see I'm going to press the flesh, and you guys are going to see the oil. Can you see that? It's dripping as it should. That's because the fruit is still very hot. But if it is cold, you guys, you'll not be able to get the result you just saw now. But in case you feel you're going to be slow, and by the time you're done with this, your fruit to be cold, you want to ensure that you have hot water set on fire, which is what I did, because by the time I was done, it was already cold. And this is me scooping in the water into the seed already separated. Now you guys, another secret I'm going to be sharing with you is, if you know you want to produce your red oil, you want to ensure that when you're buying your banga fruit from the market, you're going for banga fruit that has lots of flesh, not those ones that the seed is bigger than the flesh. Or you just go to the market and say you're looking for agric banga. Those ones, they have more fruits than the seed, which is what I went for. So yeah, that was a secret if you want to really have enough oil like I did. But I went ahead to wash my seed again for the second time. I think I washed this seed like about 3 times in this video, so this is the second time of me washing it. This rubber where I'm turning in this water is where I'm also going to be washing the flesh, but I'm just focusing on washing the seed first. Let me know that okay, the seed is out of the way, right? And this is me putting the flesh, and this is the mortar. Can you guys see the red oil inside this mortar? That's because the flesh was still very hot as when I separated it and put it inside the place. And this is me turning in my hot water into this place. You guys, this was very hot. I couldn't even use my hand, I had to use my spoon. But later on, this is what I do for you guys. I have to go through the pain, and this is me using my hand to ensure that I do what I'm supposed to do, you guys. If you can check properly, you can see that the red oil is already coming out from the rubber. After that, because I was craving banga soup, I had to separate the one I was going to use for my soup. So that's what I just did, and the remaining one which I'm going to use for my red oil production is what I'm turning into this pot. All right, so I'm just filtering it, and then I'm going to repeat the process of washing the seed and washing the flesh again. But by this time, I've already gotten the main thing I'm looking for from the fruit, so I don't have hot water again. What I'm going to be washing these ones with now is cold water, because I've already gotten the main thing I was looking for using hot water, right? But this is me just ensuring that I'm not leaving anything behind. That's why I'm washing it again. So you can wash it as many times as you feel you want to wash it. So yeah, this is going to be my last washing of this. And then this is me rinsing everything. You know, if you know, you know, I hate to waste things, especially when I buy them with my money. So this is me rinsing my mortar, rinsing the pestle, my filter, to ensure I get everything. And this is the final process. you guys can see there's nothing there. So if you're based in the village or you're based in all these rural places where you still make use of firewood, you won't be throwing away your shaft, because you can use this as your local kerosene to light your firewood. I went ahead, you guys, to turn in the last water into my pot where I'll be cooking this. Look at how beautiful this looks, guys, because I did it well. Even without placing it on fire yet, the red oil is already showing. So after that, the next step is to just go ahead and put this on fire. And when I was recording this video and I was watching these bubbles, Jesus, it was very therapeutic and it was beautiful. But I don't want to waste your time, so I couldn't record the whole of it to you guys when they were coming out one by one. So you have to leave your oil to boil, and by this time the oil was already coming out, as you guys can see it. I'm showing you here. So you boil for a very long time, and when you feel like your oil is done, you turn off your gas, which is what I'm doing, and let it cool off, if possible for 1 hour or so that you'll be able to have enough oil. Because if you're taking your oil while it is still hot, you won't have as much as you will have when you let it be cold. You get? So this is me separating my oil from the water. What we have beneath the pot is the water, and what we have on top is our red oil. So that's basically what I'm doing here. While I was recording this, because I've been recording since morning, my phone became low, so I had to turn on my torchlight because it was already late. And this is just leftover water which I'm going to throw away, and this is the red oil that we got. You guys, you should be doing this by yourself, because majority of this red oil we'll buy from the market is mixed with color. After separating, I had to go ahead to place the red oil on fire, because definitely there will be water mixed together with it. So you have to let the water dry off. At the end of the day, you let it cool, and look, you guys, just look at our red oil. And I went ahead to turn this into my bottle where I'll be leaving it. So you guys, this is how you get your red oil. If you know you enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching up to this moment. Please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment for me, and share the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.